Hello everyone, Saturn here, and today I'll be viewing the USS Nevada. So here we are in Arena on the map Haven, and I'm turning my ship to the right because that's where that Texas is. And I just think that would be easy to kill. So it's going to take a while for me to actually start shooting any ships, so I'm just going to tell you about my impressions about this ship. In the first matches of me using this ship, I was not really enjoying it, as it only has 19mm of bow armor. I did not know how to angle this in the correct way, but with more experience in this ship, I found a very great angle, which you are going to see that later in the match of the angle I'm using. So someone took the heal buff, which was the Texas core, so I launched my fighter so I can spot the ship. That way I can shoot it. Of course, there goes the overpinning glitch. I tried to slow down now so it does not spot me, so I can keep shooting it without having it shoot back at me.
Enemy heavily damaged.
So I do get spotted, but that's actually because of the Iron Duke behind me. So the Texas still does not know I'm here. All it knows is that it just lost 31,000 hit points. So since my fighter is almost done flying, I tried to accelerate my ship so I can keep shooting it.
Fighter returning to ship.
So, it does get a very decent hit on me, but he's about to die, of course.
We've destroyed an enemy battleship. Off to a great start.
Alright, on to my next victim, the Iron Duke.
Fighter airborne.
Alright, so as you can see here, I'm shooting towards the bow of the Iron Duke because I believe it does also have 90mm of bow armor, so I can't overmatch that. So, this was the angle I was talking about earlier.
Fighter destroyed.
So this was the angle I was talking about earlier in the video. I'm not going completely bow in towards the Iron Duke. And I'm not going completely broadside either. I'm trying to have it shoot my armor belt because I have a lot of armor there. And because of that armor, the Iron Duke just ricocheted a lot of his shells from his main battery.
Enemy battleship destroyed.
And unfortunately for him, he went bow into me. So that was an easy kill for me. Unfortunately for me, I'll be stuck on that island momentarily, but this New York is aiming for the center of my ship and is firing volleys.
Fighter airborne.
So as you can see here, New York is very confident that he can sink me, but unfortunately for him, he's going broadside.
Confirmed penetration.
And because of his arrogance, he now has no health. I just need to finish him in this next salvo, and I win.
Fighter returning to ship.
Enemy battleship destroyed.
So here's my commander build, William Sims of course, the Apollo the Revel and Auto Celiacs as inspirations, using the anti-air gun mods as my upgrade. So here's that armor I was telling you guys about. If you remove the torpedo reduction, you can see how much armor the armor belt has, which is only surpassed by that of the Koenig, the German Tier 4 battleship. So this Nevada is very tanky if you angle it correctly. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you all in the next video.